Hey guys, welcome to MathTech. Today we'll be learning how to copy Instagram link, and now let's dive right in. Now to copy your Instagram link, first open up the Instagram app. Before we proceed guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel because it gives me a lot of support. And with that being said, let's open up the Instagram app. And on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon. Tap on your profile picture icon. And over here guys, on this interface you can see the share profile option available for us. Tap on that share profile and you'll be on this interface guys, where you will be able to copy your Instagram link by tapping on copy link. And you can see the link has been copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it wherever you like or wherever you want to send to. You can see, let's try it out for a friend. And there is the paste option available for us. Let's tap on it and there is our Instagram link guys. And guys, this is how to copy your Instagram link. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.